Hi Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today we're creating a centerpiece to go along with our birthday bash. Welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay Adorners, so I'm back. So as I said, I have a centerpiece that I'm going to be working on, and I'm just going to show you really quickly. Let me get some of the pieces so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so just in case maybe you want to make balloon centerpieces and you're not quite sure, and you have parties and things like that, this is a balloon centerpiece kit. I received this kit, let me see if I can get that in there for you, from one of my sisters for a birthday that I was putting together for myself and as a gift. And it's really easy. So if you're not a person who does a lot of balloons and you just want to blow them up and be able to put them in places to make them look pretty, then something like this is really easy for you to use. And I did find that when I was at the Dollar Tree the other day, they had the stems for this and the holder near the balloon. So you might be able to find, I don't think they had the suction cups or the actual base, but they did have some of the balloon sticks basically. All right. Okay, so our kit also came with some balloon holders. This is a smaller version. This is a larger one, and this would be for maybe a large mylar balloon or even just a larger air inflated balloon. You could probably use this with helium as well if you wanted to. Let's see. All right, it also has stems that are a little thinner. You can see here. They go into the base, and connectors. You can see this one is a connector for has a connector piece. You can see that. And that connects our two stems together, okay? If you want to add length, height. Okay, donor, so the centerpiece kit that I was talking about, it comes with several different stems, suction cups, right? Suction cups to go on the bottom here, and you have our stems, various sizes, all right, and then you hook and you have connectors, and I'll show you that really quickly. Okay, so we have a larger stem. It comes with a large connector. You can see that here. You put that in, and that way if you want to extend the height of your centerpiece, you can do that. I'll show you here. Right. And then you add another post. So this particular kit came with a pack of suction cups. They are double-sided, so it will stick to the top, to the bottom, and to whatever surface that you're going to plant your centerpiece on. Okay, Adorner, so this centerpiece base, as you can see, it has little notches already, grooves if you will, that are raised, and that way you can see where you are going to, you can see there, where you're going to put your suction cup, and I'm going to add the last one right over my little circle. You can see, and that way I can sit my centerpiece base down, and it will stick to whatever surface. Now if you're using a tablecloth, it may not work. Okay, donor, so this kit came with two different sizes for our thin stems. One is shorter and one is longer, and that way you can determine the height that you want your centerpiece to be. All right, so this one already has a connector piece in it, and instead of using the long stem, I am going to use the shorter one. Right? There we go. You can see. And that way our height, it varies. Okay? I might just do varying heights. I haven't decided. Okay, Adorner, so for the purposes of the video, I just want to share with you, I am going to use some quads at the base of my centerpiece. I just felt like doing that. And so, as I said, I was using red, white, and blue. So I'm using one blue, one white, and two red. Okay, and I'm going to make this into a quad, and then I'm going to spiral it around the base of my centerpiece. So let me show you. I'm going to make these smaller, not blow them all the way up to 12 inches. Okay, let's get started. Smaller. That's one blue. Right, that's one white. Now let me hook those together. Okay, Adorner, so I am making a some quads for my base. So you can see I blew up my balloons a little bit smaller. Of course, again, we're going to hook these together, tie together, twist, right, turn over, and tie together, right? Knot them and pull. So to continue our quad, I've blown up 2 red balloons, right, smaller, and I am going to tie them together, knot them together to finish our quad. So here we go. Again, hands crossed over each other, twist around, and we're gonna knot them, tie them together, knot them together, and pull. Okay, so as I said, these are for the base of my centerpiece. All right, I have them knotted, and now we're going to put them together in the center. Put the centers together and twist. Okay, and depending on how you want your pattern, you can twist again. Let's say I want my blue and white across from each other. Okay, my red, white, and blue. All right, and I'm going to add this to the base of my centerpiece. Okay, Adorner, so you can see I have my centerpiece base suction down to my table, have some stems in, and I am going to go ahead and add my quad to my base. Slide it across here. So I slid it through. Let me pull back so you can see it. I slid it through, and I'm going to add one more on top of this, one more quad on top of this. Okay, Adorner, so you can see I've gone ahead and added 2 sets of quads to my base for my centerpiece. All right, and as I said, this is how you would spiral it, okay? If you had white at the bottom, let me show you, white at the bottom, then you want to turn slightly for the next layer, all right? And you just keep going all the way up. Okay, Adorner, so while I'm making my centerpiece, I just wanted to show you this. So I have my balloon that I've already pre-blown. This is the cup that goes on the stem, but I wanted to show you up close. All right, so I'm gonna pull, slide that through, all right, slide through, and slide through again. Okay, and then it's holding our balloon, and I'm gonna put it on our stem and show you the ending result for our centerpiece. Okay, Adorner, so we're going to go ahead and finish our centerpiece. So you are going to pull your balloon through, and you're going to wrap it around this stem here. Right, you can see I'm going to just wrap my balloon here, and it'll hold it nice and sturdy. Make sure it's even, please. Okay, got that? And I'm going to put it on the top of my centerpiece, and we'll be done. Adorner, so this concludes this video. Thank you for watching Adornment with Adrienne. Again, I'm your auntie or your girlfriend of lifestyle and decor. And again, as I said, we're going to be doing a complete party. So that will be centerpiece, balloon decor, food, and other decorations. So I probably will be doing some cookies on a stick. I have some wonderful creative chicken fingers that I'm going to be doing. And yeah. So thanks for watching. If you didn't watch part 1, please be sure to go to watch part 1 with all the supplies and details.